next question, we're asked to subtract these rational expressions. And we know that we cannot add or subtract fractions unless they have common denominators. Well, the 4x has an x minus 5 in it. The 3 has a denominator of 1. So what we have to do is we have to multiply 3 by both x, or multiply 3, the top and bottom, by x minus 5. So I'm going to take my 3, and I'm going to multiply the top by x minus 5 and the bottom by x minus 5. And of course, the 1 times x minus 5 is just x minus 5. Now that we have common denominators, now we can subtract their numerators. But we have to be very careful. When we subtract that 3 times the quantity x minus 5, that is the same as adding negative 3 times the quantity x minus 5. So you really have a negative 3 to distribute. We have to be very careful about that with subtraction. So we're going to multiply the x by negative 3, and we're going to multiply the negative 5 by negative 3. So we'll still have that 4 out in front, but negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 5. Now all we have left to do is to combine like terms, and we have 4 plus 5 minus 3x, which is 9, minus 3x, all over x minus 5. Well, and now I'm realizing I goofed because I wrote down the problem incorrectly. That's not a 4 on top of the first fraction. That's a 4x on top of the first fraction. Let me fix that. This is an x. So this is an x. So this is an x. Now I've got to fix my numerator here. When I combine my like terms, I have 4x minus 3x, which is 1x, plus 15. Negative 3 times negative 5 is 15, and I said that, but I wrote it down wrong. So we end up with x plus 15 on top and x minus 5 on bottom. Let me know if you have any questions.